Assalamu alaikum and welcome to today's English speaking practice video. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, time management, but with a slightly advanced level of English. In this video you will hear a Duet conversation that advanced vocabulary and useful idioms along with Urdu translations for each line. So if you want to improve your English fluency and learn how to speak more naturally, make sure to watch till the end. Here is an English sentence practice dialogue between two persons on one topic. Let's choose time management using advanced vocabulary and idioms along with brief Urdu translations for understanding. The topic time management. Person A, hey, have you been keeping up with your schedule lately? Person B, honestly, it's been an uphill battle. I'm swamped with deadline and barely have time to breathe. Person A, you need to prioritize, don't bite off more than you can chew. Person B, you are right, I often spread myself too thin trying to multitask. Person A, trying using the Eisenhower matrix, it helps separate the wheat from the chaff. Person B, that's a good idea. I have been running around like a headless chicken lately. Person A, also factor in some buffer time. Things rarely go exactly as planned. Person B, noted, I need to stop burning the candle at both ends and get some rest too. Person A, exactly, I rested mind, work smarter, not harder. Person B, thanks for the tips, time to turn over a new leaf. Here is a list of advanced words and idioms used in the time management conversation, along with their meanings and example sentences. So here are the list of advanced vocabulary. On the number first, uphill battle, meaning a difficult task that requires a lot of effort. Example, managing work and studies together is an uphill battle. Number two, swamped, meaning extremely busy or overwhelmed with work. Example, I'm swamped with assignment this week. Prioritize, meaning to arrange tasks in order of importance. Example, you should prioritize your health over your job. Multitask, meaning to perform more than one task at the same time. Example, she can easily multitask between cooking and attending meetings. Buffer time, meaning extra time added to allow for unexpected delays. Example, always include buffer time in your schedule. Here are the idioms. Number first, bite off more than you can chew, meaning to take on a task that is too big or too difficult. Example, he bit off more than he could chew by accepting 3 jobs at once. Number two, spread oneself too thin, meaning to try to do many things at once and not to do any of them well. Example, she is spreading herself too thin with school, work and volunteering. Separate the wheat from the chaff, meaning to distinguish valuable or useful things from worthless ones. Example, we need to separate the wheat from the chaff when reviewing candidates. Running around like a headless chicken, meaning to be very busy and active but not effective or organized. Example, before the event started I was running around like a headless chicken. Burn the candle at both ends, meaning to overwork by doing things early in the morning and late at night. Example, if you keep burning the candle at both ends, you will burn out. Work smarter, not harder, meaning use clever strategies instead of just putting in more effort. Example, automating your task helps you work smarter, not harder. The last one is turn over a new leaf, meaning to start fresh or change for the better. Example, after failing the exam, he started to turn over a new leaf. Here are multiple choice questions, MCQs based on the idioms and vocabulary from the time management topic. These will help in English language practice and understanding idioms in context. The number first is, what does the idiom bite off more than you can chew mean? To eat quickly, to speak too much, to take over on work than one can handle, to avoid responsibilities. And the correct answer is C, to take on more work than one can handle. Number two is, if someone is swamped with work, what does it mean? A, they are free. 2, they are bored. C, they are extremely busy. D. They are on vacation. And the number C is they are extremely busy. Number 3. Spread oneself too thin refers to A. Losing weight. 2. Doing too many tasks at once and becoming ineffective. Number 3. Becoming invisible. Number 4. Saving time. The correct answer is doing too many tasks at once and becoming ineffective. What is the meaning of burn the candle at both ends? Option A. To waste time. Option B. To work from morning till late night without rest. Option C. To make a big mistake. Option D. To save electricity. And the correct option is option B, to work from morning till late night without rest. Number 5 is what does turn over a new leaf means? Option A, change season. Option B, start reading a new book. Option C, begin a new chapter in life or make a fresh start. Option D, throw away old things. And the correct option is option C, begin a new chapter in life or make a fresh start. And the option 6 is running around like a headless chicken means option A, to be very focused. Option B, to be calm and peaceful. Option C, to act in a busy but disorganized way. Option D, to prepare food quickly. And the correct option is option C, to act in a busy but disorganized way. Disorganized way. And the next option is 7, to separate the wheat from the chaff means to clean the house, to find valuable or useful things among worthless ones, to separate friends from enemies, to harvest grain. And the correct option is option B, to find valuable or useful things among worthless ones. So dear viewers, here is the option 8. What is a buffer time? Option A, a coffee break. Option B, time saved for sleep. Option C, extra time added or prevent delays. Option C, time spent on entertainment. The correct option is option C, extra time added to prevent delays. So option 9, which tool helps prioritize tasks effectively? Option B, Eisenhower matrix. Option C, calendar. Option D, timer. So the correct option is Eisenhower matrix. Uses what does work smarter not harder imply? Option A, use more strength in task. Option B, use time and strategies efficiently. Option C, avoid work completely. Option D, work only at night. And the correct option is use practice dialogue based speaking practice on the topic time management, using clear English and some advanced words and idioms designed for English learners to practice pronunciation, fluency and expression. So without any time wasting, let's get started. Duet practice time management level intermediate to advanced. Here are the two characters. The first character is Ali and the second character is Sara. So Ali, hey Sara, you look really tired. Everything is okay? Sara, honestly, I feel like I am running around like a headless chicken. I know the feeling. You might be spreading yourself too thin. Multitasking again. Sara, guilty as charged. I'm trying to balance my job, online classes and housework like an uphill battle. Ali, maybe it's time to prioritize. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Sara, you are right, but how do you manage your time so well? Ali, I use the Eisenhower matrix. It helps me separate the wheat from the chaff. Focus on wheat. Focus on what's urgent and important. Sara, that sounds smart. I also forget to leave my buffer time. If something gets delayed, everything else falls apart. Ali, exactly. I always add some extra time for unexpected things. Otherwise, I would burn the candle at both ends. Sara, I think I need to turn over a new leaf and start planning my day better. Ali, that's the spirit. Just remember, work smarter, not hard. Ali, Sara, thanks Ali. This chat really helps. So here is a useful vocabulary and idioms from this practice with its meaning with Urdu. So expressions are running around like a headless chicken mean very busy but or disorganized. Spreading yourself too thin, doing too many things at once. Uphill battle, a very difficult task. Bite off more than you can chew. Take on more work than you can handle. Separate the wheat from the chaff. Identify what's useful. Buffer time, extra time for unexpected delays. Burn the candle at both ends. Work too much with no rest. Turn over a new leaf. Start a new better habit. Work smarter, not harder. Use smart strategies, not just effort. So, I hope you enjoyed this speaking practice on time management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and let us know in the comments which topic you would like to see next. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more useful English learning videos with Urdu Sport. So remember, practice daily, speak confidently. So take care and Allah Hafiz, and thank you for watching.